In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add collections to Shopify homepage. To begin, log into your Shopify admin. From your main dashboard, head to Online Store, then go to Themes. This is where you control the look and layout of your storefront. On your current theme, click Customize. That will open the theme editor, where you can make changes to your homepage without touching any code. Once you are in the editor, look to the left-hand sidebar. This area shows the layout of the page you are editing, including all of the sections that appear on your homepage. Scroll down until you find the template area. This is the part that lists the sections that make up the page content. When you are ready to add a new feature to the homepage, click Add Section. A panel will appear with different section options. Find and select Collection List. As soon as you choose it, Shopify adds a new Collection List section to your homepage layout, and you will see it appear both in the left sidebar and in the preview window. Now you will choose which collections show up in that grid. In the new Collection List section, click on one of the individual collection blocks. After you select a block, its settings will appear on the right-hand side. In those settings, click Select Collection, then choose the collection you want to feature. This is where you can highlight categories like new arrivals, seasonal items, or best sellers, based on what makes sense for your store. Repeat the same process for the other collection blocks in the section. Click each block, open Select Collection, and assign the collection you want. If you need to show more collections than the default number, click Add Collection to add another block to the grid. Then select a collection for that new block as well. As you do this, keep an eye on the preview so you can confirm the order and overall look. When everything looks right, click Save in the theme editor. Saving publishes the update to your homepage on your live theme, and that is all there is to it.